A negative anecdote I had. In 2018, I had two championships, the National Championship and the National Youth Title, which led me to the South American Games in Chile. In this championship, I achieved the silver medal in the 56 kilograms category. I had 5 fights, 4 wins, and owned the defeat. 3 of the victories were by KO, and the last victory was by decision against Cuba. On the other hand, my defeat was in the final by divided decision against my strongest rival, Brazil. I represent Colombia, and, in my opinion, it was a questionable decision. When I lost, my reaction was instantly crying. I had worked very hard, and I felt that my victory had been stolen. I felt that a championship of this kind should not allow these irregularities. I went into crisis because I gave my all and it did not work out. I had already won 4 fights with the strongest rivals, and when I lost the final, I felt helpless when I couldn't bring gold to Colombia. I regret not having knocked out my rival when I could, since my coach told me to make the fight bearable, although in my opinion and that of the public I beat my rival. I would have liked to be champion. In the end, I came to my league, and they welcomed me as a champion, and this medal made me get to a better tournaments in which I beat the Brazilian. Thanks for your attention. I am Diego Jimenez, software engineering student, and this is for intermediate in English.